Hi students, welcome to Kribai Tuition Center. Now we are going to see question number 11 in exercise number 5.2. So the question given for you is, if the points A 2, 2, B minus 2, minus 3, C 1, minus 3 and D x, y form a parallelogram, then find the values of x and y. So you need to now find the vertices of D. Now what you will do, they have already given you in the question that this is ABCD is a parallelogram. What are the properties of parallelogram? Opposite sides are parallel, diagonals are not equal. That is the properties of parallelogram. So now using this property, what we are going to do? We are going to find the slope of AB first, then equate it with the slope of CD and you will form one equation. Similarly, you will find the slope of BC and find the slope of AD and you will equate it and form another one more equation. And we are going to solve these two equations and find out the value of x, y. Since there are two unknowns here, we need two equations to find the coordinates. Now I have found here slope of AB. So what is your slope formula? y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So you have got slope of AB is equal to 5 by 4. So the slope of AB is equal to slope of CD. So now we are going to use the formula here. y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to 5 by 4. Now cross multiply. You will get your first equation as 5x minus 4y is equal to 17. Similarly, I have found out slope of BC using your slope formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 and you have got 0 divided by 3. So 0 divided by any number is 0 and any number divided by 0 is undefined. Remember that. So here 0 divided by 3 is 0. So since the slope of BC is 0, slope of AD is going to be 0. So here substitute in the formula y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is equal to 0. Now when you cross multiply, 0 into anything becomes 0. Now this minus 2 when it crosses the equal to, you will get y is equal to 2. Now substitute equation number 2 in equation number 1. So put instead of y 2. So you have got x is equal to 5. So your x value is 5 and your y value is 2. So the coordinates of D are 5, 2. Next we will see 12th sum. What is given in the question? Let A 3, minus 4, B 9, minus 4, C 5, minus 7 and D 7, minus 7. So they have given you 4 vertices. Show that ABCD is a trapezium. Now we have to prove that ABCD is a trapezium. Now what are the properties of a trapezium? Opposite sides are parallel and the other two sides are not parallel. This is the property of a trapezium. Opposite sides, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and the other pair of opposite sides are not parallel. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to find the slope of AB and slope of CD. And we are going to determine that those two slopes are equal. And then we will find slope of AC and slope of BD. And we will find that slope of AC is not equal to slope of BD. So that we can write that since the slope of AB is equal to slope of CD, the opposite sides are parallel. And slope of AC is not equal to slope of BD. Therefore, AC is not parallel to BD. Therefore, the given vertices ABCD form a trapezium. We will see 13th sum in exercise number 5.2 now. A quadrilateral has vertices at A minus 4 comma minus 2, B 5 comma minus 1, C 6 comma 5 and D minus 7 comma 6. Show that the midpoints of its sides form a parallelogram. So we need to find that the midpoints of the sides will form a parallelogram. So to find the midpoint of AB, what is your formula, midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So using midpoint formula you will find out the value of P. Similarly you will find out the value of Q, R and S. And then you will find the slope of PQ and slope of RS. You will find that these two slopes are equal. And then you will find slope of PS and slope of QR. You will find that these two slopes are equal. So that you can write that slope of PQ is equal to slope of RS. Slope of PS is equal to slope of QR. Since the opposite side slopes are equal, the midpoints PQRS form a parallelogram. So, you will work out these 11, 12 and 13 sums on your own because we have already discussed we have already discussed the example sums and the exercise sums in detail. So, with these hints, you need to work out and see by yourself. Thanks for watching.